Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create the MTG Arena account or Magic the Gathering Arena account on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create an MTG Arena account or Magic the Gathering Arena account on your Android device, first you'll be required to install it on your device from the Google Play Store by searching for it like this. And you can see I have already installed the MTG Arena or the Magic the Gathering Arena on my device. So let's open it. But you'll be required to install it on your device, and after it loads, let's let it load first. And over here you can see the register and the login button available over here. Now to register or create an account on the MTG Arena, click on register or tap on register like this, and over here you'll be required to enter your details. And to do that, let's enter our details on over here, like our birth date and like the day and the birth month, your country, select it from over here. And after choosing a country, choose are you a regular gamer or you have a little experience by tapping on little to none, some, a lot by on your choice. For me it's the little to none, so just tap on it and click on continue or tap on continue. Now over here you'll be required to enter your display name. Let's go with that, and this will be my display name. Let's go with the email address. Okay, and after that let's re-enter our email address to confirm it. Let's tap on OK. Let's go with the password. Use strong password, guys, by using some capital numbers, by using some capital letters, some small letters, some extraordinary signs, and some numbers. And after entering all these details like your username, your email and your password, tap on submit like this, and it's loading to the server. Let's wait for it, and let's download some additional things we need. By now we have already registered for the MTG Magic the Gathering Arena account. Now we need to confirm our Gmail first by going to our MTG Arena, by going to our Gmail and confirming our email. Let's go to our Gmail from over here, and here guys you can see there are two emails from the MTG Arena. One is this one and another one is the confirmation account from the Wizards. This one you can see, guys, this is the confirmation from our Wizards, which is the server of which is the server name of your MTG Arena. Let's click on or tap on verify your email. Let's go with Chrome. As you can see, guys, let's log into our email from over here once again. And let's tap on next and let's go with the password, and let's tap on go. And you can see, guys, we have successfully logged into our profile on Wizards, but we have to optimize it a little bit still. And here, guys, we have successfully registered for MTG or the Magic the Gathering Arena account. From over here we have successfully confirmed it, and you can see our account has been logged into the game and the game is starting, which means that we have successfully signed up for or created an MTG Arena account. And this is how you create an MTG Arena account or Magic the Gathering Arena account. Or if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.